Hello, this is Tony Gordon. This short video is to show you how to initialize the microbit that you're going to be using with your Hummingbird robotics system. Each microbit has to be initialized before the students use them, or else they won't work. If you ever wanted to check whether a microbit was actually initialized, all you need do is to plug it into the Hummingbird yellow or blue block, the little breakout board, and plug in the power supply and turn it on. And if you see a 3-letter code, then you know your Hummingbird is correctly set up. If you don't see a 3-letter code, and there will be some LEDs showing. If you don't have a 3-letter code, then it clearly hasn't been properly set up. And so what we need to do is to show you how to set that up. And let's do that now. So if you go to the BJC teacher, this is the BJC website, bjctechlit.org. If you go to the teacher page, and you will probably be asked for a password for the teacher page. I'll put that in a link, an email link, so that you've got that. I'll put it in the same link as the YouTube video. Once you've actually logged in and you can now see this page, you can obviously open the teacher guide, run snap, or you can download the Hummingbird hex file. And what you'll see here, my computer, because the way it's set up, it actually displays the hex. So what we have to do is save link as. And now it'll open it up, and you can actually see I've got a couple of these already saved. So I'm just going to save this one down here, and there we go. It's now with a number 2 behind it, but we have that saved. The next thing I've got to do, and this is a little bit like trying to show you how to tie shoes over the phone. You're going to need to get the microbit, the actual little board that has BBC microbit on it, and it does not need to be in the breakout board, and it doesn't need to be connected to the power supply, but you do need to use the USB cable. There's a USB cable in your kit. On one end it has a USB-A, which actually connects to a USB port on your computer, and the other end has a micro USB connector. And if you connect that to your microbit, you'll see a small power light will come on. In my case, it's yellow, but I know others have said that sometimes there are other colors. But once that actually comes on, you're then ready to start working with your microbit. So I know over here, here's my microbit. So I'm going to show it in the folder. So here's my folder here, my download folder. I'm saving it under Hummingbird resources, but this is my download folder. What I need to do now is to open my file explorer, which is here. Now, depending on the age of your Chrome, you may not necessarily see this here. You may actually have to go from the quick access to the desktop and look for the microbit E. But either way, when you find the microbit E, open it up and it'll look like this here. The process of initializing is quite simply to drag the file over and copy it to the microbit. And you can see the copying take place. It's now it's actually closed that folder. That means the updating has taken place. So the complete microbit setup is completed now, and that microbit can be taken out of the or you can disconnect the USB cable from that one and grab another one from your student kits and initialize it. If you have them all lined up, it makes it really a lot easier, because you can go very quickly through a whole load of microbits in this way. But anyway, I hope this has been useful, and I hope you enjoy using the Hummingbird robotic kits with your students. Thank you so much.